Whether human beings can consume meat and is meat a food for human beings? By nature human beings are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Nature has created two living beings, one vegetarian and another non-vegetarian. We will analyze this two living beings and judge where human beings falls. This should be an easy research. We will take vegetarian animals, example horse, donkey, elephant, deer and cattle. For non-vegetarian we will take lion, dog, tiger and fox. Now we will analyze this both. 1. The tooth settings of this animals. The vegetarian animals will have flat teeth. Non-vegetarian animals will have sharp teeth. Human beings have flat teeth and not sharp teeth. 2. How they consume water. All vegetarian animals suck the water and drink. All non-vegetarian animals lick the water and drink. Human beings suck the water and drink, and they cannot lick and drink. 3. Blind at the time of birth. Vegetarian animals immediately after their birth can open their eyes and see the world. They are not blind at the time of birth. Non-vegetarian animals are blind at the time of birth. They cannot open their eyes for the first few days. Human beings can open their eyes and see the world immediately after their birth. 4. Fingernails. The nails of vegetarian animals are flat and it will not be sharp. The nails of the non-vegetarian animals are lengthy and sharp. Human beings' nails are flat and not sharp. 5. Digestive system. In vegetarian animals the digestive system will be very long. For example, the food will go through a 15-feet pipe in the stomach to get digested. Reason being the toxic content in the vegetarian food is very less and it has got more good vitamins and proteins. So the digestive system can hold this food items more number of hours in the body. For non-vegetarian animals the food pipe length is very short compared to a vegetarian animals. Since the food has got more toxic content, the system is made in such a way that it will send out the food at the earliest. So toxic content is not stored in the digestive system for longer hours. Human beings have long digestive system and the food particles can stay more hour in the digestive system. Hence we have to consume non-toxic food. 6. Equal body heat. For vegetarian animals, in order to maintain the body heat equally, they can consume water and send out the extra heat by way of sweating. So the body heat throughout the body is maintained in equal proportion. For non-vegetarian animals this facility is not there. They have to hang their tongue and cool their body. Human beings make their body cool by consuming water and send out the extra heat by sweating. 7. Feces or excrement. Vegetarian animals will not have much difficulty in sending out their feces or excrement from their body. The smell will be less foul. Non-vegetarian animals faces difficulty in sending out their feces or excrement from the body. Compared to vegetarian animals, non-vegetarian animals' feces or excrement will have more foul smell. Human beings will not have any difficulty in sending out the feces or excrement from their body. Compared to non-vegetarian animals the foul smell will be very less. 8. Living style or living way. Vegetarian animals live in groups. They will not live alone. Non-vegetarian animals live alone and they create their own territory and will not allow others animals belonging to their race to enter into their territory. Human being lives in group. They allow their races to join them and live with them in their territory. For example, in India Parsi and Jews, and they never had dispute with them. 9. By nature or tendency or normal way. Vegetarian animals are normally very soft in nature and always peaceful. Non-vegetarian animals are ferocious and they are not peaceful. Human beings are soft and wants to live peacefully. 10. Constructive work. Vegetarian animals does constructive work like helping farmers, carrying human beings, pulling weight in vehicles, etc. Non-vegetarian animals will not do any constructive work except killing other living beings. They are not be helpful to human beings except dog, which helps in guarding the properties. Human beings by nature does constructive work. They help each other and also other living beings. 11. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline or adrenaline. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline or adrenaline, is a hormone, neurotransmitter and medication. This hormone is produced by the body in extraordinary circumstances. For example, when a dog chases us or when we are fighting with someone, this hormone gets produced in our body. It goes to the entire body and it happens only in abnormal circumstances. When we are in danger, we act more faster than the normal circumstances. This is due to the production of this hormones in our body. Harmfulness in the meat and affecting our body and mind. When any living beings is killed for meat, this hormones get produced in the body and it stays in the entire body at the time of death. When we consume the meat of this animals, this hormones also get consumed by us. Please make more research scientifically whether we can consume this or not. Personally, it is my feeling that it is harmful. 12. Strength in food. It is generally told non-vegetarian gives more strength and power. Elephant has more power by consuming only vegetarian food. An ox works in the farm whole day by consuming only vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian animal, after consuming food they sleep and they will not be active or working. Soya beans has more proteins than meat. For power and strength instead of meat, this can be consumed. Now please judge yourself whether we are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Please consume vegetarian foods and live happily, peacefully and healthy.